Iran's Islamic Revolution Guard Corps, IRGC, has unveiled an upgraded Shahid-149 Gaza drone. The upgrade to the high-altitude long-endurance HALE drone include a new hardpoint and an improved landing gear. The upgraded Gaza drone flew on Sunday at the Martyr Karimi Air Base in central city of Kashan, IRNA news agency reported. Shahid-149 Gaza, manufactured by Iran Aircraft Manufacturing Industries Corporation, was unveiled in May 2021. It is a high-altitude, long-endurance unmanned combat aircraft, capable of flying for over 35 hours and covering 7,000 kilometers on a single mission. Iranian military relies on the aircraft for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance, the report said. While it is claimed to have combat capabilities, no details of the missiles it is armed with have been revealed. The new hardpoint could be to carry an external reconnaissance payload or even a missile. Tehran says its drone program is purely defensive. However, it is repeatedly accused of supplying advanced drones to its allies in the Middle East for use against regional foes as well as to Russia for use in the special military operation in Ukraine.